Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a station with tea or coffee or any hot beverage. Come on with me, guys. So let me start prepping this area by making a floral arrangement. So I'm absolutely loving this, and then we'll move on to the next decor piece. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Ladies Afternoon Tea Party, and that's being hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, we have Sonia down south, and Jennifer at home. So I decided not to do a tablescape and to go ahead and do like a coffee, tea, or hot beverage station. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Now this is an absolutely beautiful floral arrangement. So let's move on to the next craft, guys. Now I thought it would be nice to decorate this tier tray for that area. So let's get started. Now, didn't this tier tray come out absolutely beautiful, guys? All right, let's head on over to decorate the station. As in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Remember to click the like button, to subscribe to the channels, to leave a beautiful and encouraging comment, and make sure and watch all the videos in the playlist. So let me leave you to some music so that I can finish decorating this area. I am loving how this corner came out. So let me finish off here and let's head on over to the reveal. I think this area looks absolutely amazing. I am loving it and I hope you guys do too. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.